welcome to the channel. So I'm here waiting on my very good friend Soraya from Blessings from the Garden. She called me for good. By the way, she's right here. Hi.
Hello.
This is Soraya from Blessings from the Garden.
Oh, different.
Look here, she's a package deal.
Okay.
They come in twos. Latoya. This is Soraya. I'm yet to meet Latoya. Latoya is her twinnie.
Yes.
I've always met this sister. I need to meet Latoya. Hi Latoya, girl, how are you doing?
What else sweet to Mary?
Look here, girl. Let me bring the last.
Thank you. You know I'm gonna put this in my bag.
Latoya, don't throw away her gungo.
I know she threw the gungo piece.
She called me for goodies, so let's go see what she have in store for us. What are you doing, girl?
I'm so tired.
Pick me.
For grade from 7 to 9.
She's not only a gardener, she's an educator. This young lady, I don't know how she does it. She's a full-time educator and she is a math teacher. Girl have brains. So she not only smart enough to grow her own food, but she good up here so too. Oh, she's an inspiration.
Mali, Mikkel.
She's sharing. Look at this. Which one of the boxes is mine? Both of them?
Yes. I thought you were giving me something.
Will you look at here? Come closer. This is what? Grape. Oh, my child operating the telephone.
And these are grapes.
And this is the spinach. Wait, my child gone.
Alright, so these are 2 grapevines. You have 2 grapevines here. You know this one?
No?
Do you know this one?
No.
This is a rosemary.
Oh,
that's grown from the first time I potted it up. It has grown.
So baby, this became famous during coronavirus, remember? So this is all boiled with garlic and turmeric and ginger.
Yeah. I never had the rosemary.
Yeah.
Just the garlic and the ginger and the lime. Okay. And it says
Coolie time.
what?
Yeah, that's the coolie time I told you about.
French oregano or no Cuban oregano or French time.
The coolie time is near more. Yes.
Yes.
Alright. So I'm going to plant them out later. Do you want me to video? I can send the video to you.
Sure.
Alright. I'll send it to you. But I'll complete the video and then send it. So it can probably be a collaboration.
Yeah, collaboration.
So we both post the same video.
So she did a little thing too, so she had a little box.
That's hers.
Yes.
Oh wow. So she got her. You have a channel as well or just a garden?
No, she doesn't have a channel.
She just has a garden and you're sharing with her as well. Nice. You see why you're blessed?
Blessings from the garden.
Yeah.
Scared.
Yes. Alright.
Blessings from so this is my little space. Math department.
We need to go visit Latoya. I feel like we're leaving her out.
We can get strawberries at Oak Gardens, you know?
I'm not sure.
Man, go up there.
Are you in there?
Yeah.
The heats, I mean, my strawberry plants, the heats are damaging the leaves.
Yeah, so we need to put them somewhere.
So this is going away in my bag.
Yeah, you have to see it.
We're going to plant grape.
Mikkel. I mean, I tell you.
This is a plant coolie time. This is take over the whole garden, you know?
I know.
This. Guys, I can't waste no time. These have to be planted straight away. Straight away. This is spinach. I think you told me Malabar spinach. That Soraya gave me just now. Wish me luck with these, guys. It's getting late. I need to plant my rosemary I might not plant the rosemary tonight, or even the what we call coolie thyme. I might plant just one. Let's see. I think I find the perfect location for my thyme, because my coolie thyme, soon we'll have plenty. This can be used in tea, soups, painkillers, all sort of stuff you use this thing for. So that's what it looks like. Lastly is my rosemary tonight. She gave me a little eggplant too, but I'm going to cut into this tomorrow and see what it looks like.
And just like how Marie is planting out more food in her container garden, you are encouraged to start that garden one container at a time. It will not be an easy task, but it will be worth it in so many ways. Happy gardening! Bye!